àṣírí ẹni bímọ ti tú síta bẹ́ẹ̀ o ìyẹn ọmọ nàìjíríà káàkiri gbogbo àgbáláyé. ọmọkùnrin tán yí ìyàwó rẹ̀ ló ti ṣubú tẹ́dùpọ̀ gọ́fúnà nílùú Ondo State tí wọ́n porúkọ rẹ̀ ní Bamidele Akingboye nítorí agbáṣírí o yéè lágbára ọlọ́run mọ́jà rọrùn mọ́jà ṣinṣin o mọ́jà kàkùnà bẹ́ẹ̀ o. oríṣiríṣi kan là á gbọ́ nípa ọmọkùnrin ṣùgbọ́n ìyá gbọ́ bí ọ̀rọ̀ nǹkan tó ṣe lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ mọ̀mọ́ tó ti bá bòmíràn yọ bẹ́ẹ̀ oríṣiríṣi ilé kan lọ nípa ọ̀rọ̀ arákùnrin Bámidélé ṣùgbọ́n àṣírí ó tún wá tú bẹ́ẹ̀ yéè lágbára o.
ẹ̀yin èèyàn lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ikú olùdíje fúnpò gómìnà tẹ́lẹ̀ nípínlẹ̀ Ondo ìyẹn alàgbà Bámidélé tí wọ́n fẹ̀sùn kàn yàwó pé yàwó ló ti bọ́ oríṣiríṣi àwọn nǹkan míì tó ti ń jáde o. ọkùnrin kọ́lọ́n kó ṣàánú ọkùnrin ni I'm telling you the reality kọ́lọ́n kó ṣàánú ọkùnrin ẹ tún wá gbọ́ gbogbo nǹkan tí wọ́n ti ń tú wàá mọ tó tún wá fọ́ ni. wọ́n ní bá a ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ tó kú alàgbà yẹn sì wà ní ilé ìgbókùpamọ́sí tí wọ́n sì ń ṣèwádìí pé wọ́n fẹ́ mọ ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ despite pé wọ́n ti lọ ṣe autopsy. wọ́n ní wọ́n ń ya fídíò orin lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ páwọn Lámìdó bá dé o wọ́n ń ya fídíò orin nínú mansion alàgbà tá à ń sọ pé ó kú yìí. ṣùgbọ́n àwọn nǹkan míì tó ti ń farahàn ẹ rí i pé mo ṣe fídíò kan lánàá níbi tí àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ kan ti ń jáde wípé wọ́n ń transfer owó nínú àkáǹtì alàgbà yẹn àwọn nǹkan míì tó ti kọ́lọ̀ ń ṣàánú wa. ṣùgbọ́n ẹ mọ̀ mo ṣèlérí kan wípé bọ́rọ̀ yìí bá ṣe ń lọ màá máa fún ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa lọ́pdate ṣùgbọ́n ibo tó lọ̀rọ̀ dé dúró kí ni latest update lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ ká lọ àtèmi àtẹ̀yin a ní bá wọn kúkú òjijì o a sì ní fi ọ̀tá a ní fi ṣọ̀rẹ́ láṣẹ Èdùmàrè kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ sí alàgbà Bámidélé gangan ẹ̀yin èèyàn.
Still on the issue of our late brother Otumba Bamidele Akingboye. First of all, I want to clear the air here that Otumba was not a polygamous at all. Otumba has only one wife. Yes, his first wife was his childhood friend right from Okitipupa in Ondo State. The wife is from the Adigboye's family too, a prominent family in Okitipupa. And the wife she's a complete gentlewoman. They were blessed with children. And I think 24 years ago, when Otumba came across with Christy for marriage, I thought that was what broke the first marriage. And the woman went her own way, quietly. And Otumba got married to Christy. And they too, both of them were blessed with children. Otumba cares for all his children. I think the first wife has maybe 3 children, 4. The second wife has about 4 or 5 children, apart from the one Christy has before marrying Otumba, which Otumba adopted as his own children too, his own child. Our investigation shows, allegedly now because we're not the court, that there was an argument in the house prior to that incident that led to his death. The argument was that the wife was asking the husband to pay her the debt he's owing her, running into several of millions of naira. So we thought that was what brewed that fracas that led to the death of Otumba. Because the week before the incident, the weekend before the incident, they were both in Ilorin for a function. So there is no issue of sickness or illness, no. And the week that is coming after the incident, Otumba is supposed to be in the UK with the wife for a function of their friend who is turning 60, their family friend. And from there, Otumba was to proceed to Canada to see his 2 children who are from the first wife. As a matter of fact, his first daughter from the first wife and the second son from the first wife too. They are here in Canada, they are Canadians. Because the son here, his own son, that is the grandson of Otumba now, is going to be 1 on the 19th of September. So Otumba promised to be here to come and celebrate the birthday with the grandson before this incident happened. And as I promised you guys, we'll continue to bring events, stories as it unfolds, and our findings too. Otumba never died a natural death. That we know. It may be accidental, it may be predicted, it may be planned, whatever, but what we know is that he never died a natural death. And the anointing was the first caption after his death. It was covered up. That was the cover up there. Because if your husband died in your house, something happened, you are supposed to raise the alarm first before anybody. Not until the picture starts surfacing that we are now getting the true story. And there's one puzzle here. When the Otumba died in the house, that big house, when he died, it was the first son of Otumba from the first wife that came and carried the corpse from that house on the ground. The first son that is living miles away, that would take him at least another 20-30 minutes to drive to his father's house. He was the one that came to carry his father's corpse. The question is this: what was Christy and her children doing in the house when Otumba died? Were they planning to carry him to the hospital? Or when he has that incident, according to them, when he fell down, why didn't they rush him to the hospital? Why did they leave him there until the son came from far away to come and carry the corpse of his own father? And as I told you, we continue to investigate, to unravel the truth about this matter. Those of you thinking that they will sweep it, there's nothing is happening, everything is silent. It's not silent. Police are doing their job, and nobody can sweep this one under the carpet. Many interests are involved now, because Otumba is not a small fry. It's not a small fry in Nigerian society. So we will make sure that he gets justice. They are doing their investigation. We are waiting for the autopsy report, and police are carrying out an investigation. And they are the ones that are allowed to come out with the blueprint of what happened, and the court will judge the case. But all we know is that Otumba Akingboye will get justice. For sure, he will get justice. And to the family of the Akingboyes in Okitubupa local government, I sympathize with you all. To the children of Otumba that he left behind, I sympathize with you all. I know it's not easy to lose a benevolent father like that. I will continue with all of my other Ikale brothers and sisters to make sure that Otumba gets justice.
Yes, most of you have been calling me, messaging me, having the fear that hope the case of our brother, the late Otumba Bamidele Akingboye, won't be swept under the carpet. And I said no, we will and must get to the root of the matter. What killed Otumba Bamidele must be known. And what is holding us back is the autopsy, which they have done it. The report will be out very, very soon. The report will be out very, very soon. And those of you carrying all those narratives that Otumba committed suicide, Otumba had an attack, Otumba he went mental. I mean, he's not mentally stable. You people should stop all those useless narratives. Stop all those nonsense talk about this man, because we all know that this man is a complete gentleman, contented man.
He's a businessman, yes. He may have some financial transactions that he wants to solve. That doesn't mean to the extent of killing himself or whatever. To us, we believe Otumba never killed himself at all. Merely seeing him physically, the bruises in the face, the deep cut behind him shows that he was hit by a very big object, and that led to the bleeding from the mouth, nose, and everywhere. Maybe it was hit and he fell on his face and whatever. So that narrative that he jumped from the balcony, they should stop it. They should stop it. It was on the 3rd. Today is 12th of September. On the 3rd, that is barely about 9 days now. This thing happened, right? 6 a.m. on the 3rd was when the news broke out. And by 10 a.m. that very day, they started moving money from his account. His bank statement will reveal all this. So it's not whether we are coming here to come and lie on anybody or to come and discredit anybody. The bank statement will show it. We all know it. We all saw it. We have seen it. The bank statement will show it. And moreover, one of his sons has said yes, he transferred 55 million naira into his own account that very day after his death. Why? That is the question. And those of you are saying there won't be justice, there will be justice. Well, the wife has been called, has been questioned, her passport has been seized by the police, and she's released on bail. She's back to the house now. I mean, the wife is back to the house. But let me shock you. Let me shock you. A very big shocker. Today is the 12th of September. Can you believe that there is a musical video shoot going on inside Otumba's house? Even me, I can't believe it until I saw it. A musical video shoot is going on right now inside Otumba's mansion in VGC, where the wife is and the children are. They are doing a musical video shoot inside that place. Olamide Bado is there with other musicians as I speak. I'm not blaming Olamide Bado, or I'm blaming the other musicians that came with him for that photo shoot. I'm blaming those heartless people that has no empathy, that opened the gate and opened the door of the mansion of Otumba for these musicians to be doing their photo shoot. Bamidele is still in the morgue. We are still yet to unravel what killed him. Now they are already doing a musical photo shoot inside his mansion, because people will be paid maybe 1.5 million, 2 million for the photo, for using the building, and you forgot your breadwinner, you forgot your father, you forgot your husband, you forgot your boss inside the morgue, and they are playing music, doing photo shoot inside his own house. This is the height of it. This is a pointer. Go and check it. I'm giving you a first-class information, first-hand information. Today, 12th of September, Olamide and his crew with other musicians were in Otumba's house doing musical video shoot too. And Otumba is lying down in the morgue. We are all running around to say what killed him. Some people are in that same house accepting people to come and do photo shoot inside the house. Go and find out now. It's there. I have the proof. I have everything. Because I have my own insider there. I have the video where they are doing the photo shoot inside the house today, 12th of September. I was shocked to my marrow. I was shocked to my marrow. Now they are painting narrative. He committed suicide. He's depressed. A man that went to Ilorin to bubble over the weekend before he died is depressed. A man that was planning to go to London the weekend that he was killed is depressed. A man that was planning to be in Canada this week, because on the 19th he's supposed to be doing
to be celebrating his grandson 1 year birthday is depressed. May God forgive all of you that are carrying those narratives about those false narratives about Otumba. Because Otumba, that I know, is a complete nice human being that I've ever come across. But we wonderful it too. We wonderful it too. And I'm using this video again to call on all our sons and daughters who are highly placed in the police force, in the military, in other strategic positions. Please use your positions, use your post, use it. Let us unravel the truth. Don't let anybody come and suppress the truth. We want transparency. If you have hands in Otumba's death, you must face judgment. You cannot escape it. That is the truth. A man can never be killed like that and you think you can just go scot-free. No! We must unravel what killed this man. What killed this struggling gentleman. We must unravel it. Now you will go to mortuary o eti lo ile eti fi ṣe photo shoot eti gbo lórí ẹ o ma ṣe o kì maluko agwo dinga se kì ara yìí kì mo mowo yìí a ma won ravu ese a ma ravu ese orúkọ tèmi Olújìmí Adékanlé Líjọ̀ká wọ́n lè gbé mi ṣe o kì í ọkọ̀ wálẹ̀ yìí. Since I'm standing on the truth, I will make sure we unravel what killed Bamidele. We will unravel it.
Yín alára wa káàkiri gbogbo àgbáláyé níbi tẹ́ ti láǹfààní àtòrí ọ̀fẹ́ tí ti gbọ́ fọ́nrán ọ̀rọ̀ náà lẹ́yìn ti gbọ́ ni ò nípa ọ̀rọ̀ olóògbé Mr. Bamidele gbogbo bó ṣe lọ náà láti ká tó mú wá sí etí gbọ̀yìn ṣùgbọ́n ṣe wá rí i pé ọ̀rọ̀ ti kọjá bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n bí bá tó ṣe lọ àtọ́jẹ́ kí èèyàn wa kí n máa gbọ́ ìwọ iṣẹ́ ìfọ́nrán ìjẹ́ kó kan gbogbo ènìyàn kan náà lè mọ̀ bí ṣe lọ nínú fọ́nrán fáfàní yìí tètè subscribe sórí ètò Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà subscribe sórí ètò wa kí n náà kí n lè mọ jàǹfààní bá tó ṣe mú fọ́nrán wa fún gbogbo ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ó ní kíní kan bí aago bẹ́ẹ̀ táyìn lẹ́yìnbó pè ní notification bell ìmọ̀tẹ́ kíní aago kí n on notification bell yín sílẹ̀ kí n náà kí n lè jàǹfààní bá tó ṣe mú fọ́nrán wa sórí ètò ìwọ ìmájẹ̀ ń gbà yín lákòókò yẹn ara mi ṣùgbọ́n àdúrà mi sí gbogbo èèyàn àdúrà rẹ̀ sí gbogbo èèyàn lólùfẹ́ rẹ̀ àní pé àmì àbọ̀sọ́wọ́ àgbẹ̀nipa o àdèmí arìn níjọ́ ibi àmì arìn níjọ́ ibi ó pọ̀nà ìwọ àdúrà mi sí gbogbo àdúrà rẹ̀ sí gbogbo èèyàn lólùfẹ́ rẹ̀ káàkiri gbogbo àgbáláyé ni pé àmì arìn níjọ́ ibi pọ̀nà àmì àkókò ìyà àdúrà rẹ̀ sí gbogbo èèyàn lólùfẹ́ rẹ̀ ni pé ire lójú owó rí ire lójú ọlá rí ire lójú gbogbo rẹ̀ á mọ̀ rí o ìpàdé wa bí oyin. ìyẹn ará mi ètò yàgbọ́n ó ṣẹlẹ̀ o lórí ọ̀rọ̀ arákùnrin olóògbé tán porúkọ rẹ̀ ní Bamidele